What's up guys, this is Moritz here once again from Section Store, and today I will be showing you how you can design your dream store without hiring any expensive developers or paying for monthly subscriptions for apps that are really hard to learn. And today we will be having a look at this tabbed content section right here. It's one I did just lately, and the way it works is basically like a FAQ drop-down, and here you can link it to a button which either directs you to subpage of your own homepage or heads you to another page as well. So yeah, I'll included it onto one of my About Us pages, so I think it's a nice little roundup to put it here to the end, and I will show you in a couple easy steps how you can get that thing and customize it to your likings. The first thing I did for that was headed on over to the Shopify App Store and got the Section Store app completely for free. It's a non-subscription app and you can get it there. And the next step I did is clicked on Explore Sections. Inside the app you can find it in the Shopify admin area on the bottom left corner, and then simply type in tabbed content. And like I said already, you don't need a developer for this because the thing itself is completely customizable. It does come with a little fee of $1, but it also doesn't come with a recurring subscription fee or anything. You can add it to any theme and it's gonna save you a lot of time and money at the end of the day. So yeah, after successfully getting the section for yourself, you head back to the Section Store main area with clicking on here. Before you can actually use it, you have to add it to the theme you're using. In my case, it's the Dawn Light theme. I've already installed it, and then simply open up the theme editor. I've also done that, and the way you can get it into your store, that's the one you saw in the beginning of the video. Let's just drag this down a bit. Is by clicking on Add Sectioner, and then we're gonna type in says tabbed, and the one we are going to use will appear right here. That is the one we want. Let's just hide this one real quick, and I'm gonna show you how you can install this whole thing and customize it to your likings. So now it is inside your store, and now we wanna customize one of the blocks or just change the content. We'll just do it like that. YouTube tutorial example. And here you can, it's just a really random example. You can use it for a lot of use cases actually, but here it's used for a little upcoming events FAQ. And here we could change that, for example, we could set it to Paris, maybe it's a Sunday, whatever you prefer, but you can get really creative with that. And I think there are a lot of nice options. You can even change the pin here. So if you wanna do a little heart right here, that is up to you. Register could also be click here. And here we just wanna link back to the main area of the app, maybe to a contact page so people can get in contact. And here is the text as well. So if you click on it, that is what's getting dropped down. And you can add a content image as well. So I'm just gonna pick a really random one right here. Let's just do that one so I can just show you how the functionality works of that whole thing. So here we have the content image. And if we scroll all the way down, we can also decide in what way the image is getting displayed. Let's save it up real quick and have a look at it. So I'm just gonna open this bad boy up, and now we can click it and the image is showing up right here. So that is pretty nice. I think if you have several different events and maybe someone did a design for that event already, you can just put it in right here with that image option. And the last thing I want to show you is the customizations you can do to the whole thing itself. So we can change that upcoming events for Section Store. And we wanna change the size as well. Maybe let's make it a little bit bigger, make it centered. And we wanna have a different font as well, something a bit more bold maybe. So we're gonna go with that. It's just a really random example, but I wanna show you all the customization options you have. Here you can basically add margin and content padding to the whole thing. And the items are changeable as well. So if you wanna pump that up, it's gonna increase the item radius right here. As you can see right there, that's the little button, which is getting bigger, but we wanna keep it like that. And now we're going all the way down. So yeah, like I said already, pretty much everything here is customizable, but I wanna do some changes to the colors we're already having. Here the image would be changeable too. So we're gonna change the items border color. I wanna have it all in that little orange tone we have at the rest of our page, so it's fitting the vibe. And the last thing I wanna change as well is the button color, so that can actually stay, but the background color of the button is supposed to be that, and that is looking nice. We're gonna save it all up, have a look at it in the live version, and then we can pretty much wrap it up already. Let's set that load up, and give it a little reload. It's pretty much almost the same, but I just wanted to show you the process of how you can customize the thing. And if we click on it, our image is also showing up, and here we have the default version ones. And if I click on here, it should direct us to the contact page, so that is working as well. So yeah, like I said already, pretty much all I did. You can just do how you prefer it, but I hope you guys found it useful, and if you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.